Hello everybody, my name is Francesca Ressico and I am a psychiatrist from Borgo Maniero in the north of Piedmont. I was kindly asked you to tell you something about the actual situation of COVID-19 in Italy. So I must tell you that Piedmont is now the fourth region for number of infections, and I can give you some data which are updated at yesterday's bulletin, which said we had about 600 infections, and it is close to Lombardia, which was declared the first red zone in Italy. The country is now facing a huge sanitary crisis, mainly due to the fact that we have to convert some of our hospitals into COVID hospitals. We have lack of intensive care unit beds and machines, and also personal protective equipment in terms of masks, gowns and goggles. The virus is still rushing, and this is mainly because at first we underestimated the severity of illness and also the rate of transmission, which is sustained. The rate of transmission was estimated in 2.2, which means that each individual can in turn produce 2.2 more infections. So imagine people still gathering in pubs and restaurants and carnival parties and stadiums, and we are facing the results of our attitude now. So we are still seeing many contagions each day. We have to keep in mind that not everybody shows typical symptoms and not everybody shows symptoms. Some people are asymptomatic, and this is especially true for children. We don't know why. We're still learning things about COVID day by day while facing our battle. So we don't know why children do not develop symptoms or only develop mild symptoms, but they still are carriers. So one of the important things we have to remember is to keep safe at home. Being locked in is one of the best ways we have to fight this battle, because the virus needs a carrier in order to survive. So no carrier, no virus. The other things we have to keep in mind is what the World Health Organization recommends. So wash your hands frequently. Water and soap are effective and economic and easily available if compared to hand sanitizers, which are no longer available in Italy since the beginning of the pandemic. It is not a good idea to stay in crowded places, and you have to keep a distance from other people. Wearing masks in crowded places might be an idea, but there's no scientific evidence that this is protective. Moreover, wearing such protective equipment in a wrong way can even worsen the rate of infection. I am sure I forgot a lot of things to say, but I am available and I will be happy to give you more information soon. So please remember, keep safe and help us to help. Thank you.